Alright, so today I'm going to do an unboxing and assembly of my Performer Heritage 29-inch here. Was lucky enough to pick one up from Allen's BMX. It's the lime green and peach, and this goes along with my 26-inch Pro Series here and my Soul Stomper that I've got. Unfortunately, the lighting's a little bit dark. It's a rainy day here, but we'll take this thing apart and show you all what's in the box. Here we go, let's see what's in the box. Put this on here. Got a seat right here. Pull this straight up if I can. What else is in the box? Let's see. Pads. And the parts box. Alright, so we're gonna get everything out of the accessory box now. Just for fun, I'm gonna use a knife that my friend made for me. He's a knife maker on Instagram, Shamu Anu. Check him out. So we've got the owner's manual. Little packet of stickers, black pedals, plastic, something new that did not come with my Pro Series, rear tail light with batteries, front brake which will not be used, front light which is gigantic and will definitely not be used. Looks like hardware for the chain guard. Front and rear reflectors with a bell. Front brake lever with cable. Knurled pegs. And finally the chain guard. Again, none of that will be used, but for those of you wondering, that's what all comes in the accessory box. Okay, so we'll start taking off some of this protective plastic so I can get the front wheel on and the handlebars on. Got the seat on, got the wheel on, handlebars on, all those things loosely tightened. Still need to align the fork to the handlebars and then tighten down the headset. But first things first, going to remove all of the protective packaging so I can get the pedals on. Here is the brake assembly. Just put the bike upside down so you can see it. And then this rear hub, it's like a dual-sided hub. There's a threaded end on the other end of the current sprocket with the chain tensioners. Alright, so we've got the bike all set up, at least pieced together. Everything is loosely fitted. I still need to go through the entire bike and make sure everything is tight and ready for the road. Everything looks great on this bike. Love the handlebars that came on it. On the Pro Series I got some skinnier handlebars just for the street riding and getting through traffic. But I love the lime green spokes here, the 29-inch format, same size gearing here. Paint looks great. It's got the V-brake in back. The one thing I'm not really happy with on this bike, though, I will tell you, this weld here on this back cap looks like the apprentice welded this one. It is what it is. Something I've been waiting for and happy to get my hands on. I'll probably do a comparison video between this bike and the 26-inch Pro Series here in the future, just to compare and contrast the different features and build quality. And happy to have this bike in the stable, get some rides on it. Finally got a helper in one of my videos, giving me a hand to put things together. So if you have any questions about the bike, put them in the comments, and thanks for watching.